Are you looking for the best reciprocating saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best reciprocating saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the dewalt DCS 387P120V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit. The top on our list is dewalt DCS 387P1 that boasts of a compact and lightweight design. It also fits between studs that let you make seamless cuts even in the most confined places. Part of the reason this product ranks amongst the best is its innovative 4-position blade clamp. This feature enhances positional versatility and flush cutting under challenging angles. Thus, it's a multi-use saw that we also consider as the best reciprocating saw for pruning. Apart from this, dewalt reciprocating saw has a lever-actuated blade changing mechanism, and therefore, you don't need any tool for changing blades. We need to mention that its 1-1 divided by 8 stroke length delivers impressive faster cutting speed. Not to mention the variable speed trigger, which delivers up to 2,900 strokes per minute with a reasonable blade control. Better still, this outstanding saw comes with a pivoting shoe for increased versatility during sawing. At the other end of the scale, the LED light illuminates dark work areas to enhance visibility. You can rest assured of safe cutting experience. Still, way better, dewalt DCS 387P1 is a cordless reciprocating saw. Consequently, it gives you the freedom to get your work done anywhere. The product has an amazing brushless motor that provides up to 2.5 times more runtime. Yet it will get the job done at a breakneck and efficient speed. We highly recommend this product for its keyless, lever-action 4-position blade clamp that allows you to effortlessly change blades in 4 directions for a variety of applications. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee 6538 to 2115.0 amp Super Sawzall Reciprocating Saw. Sawzall is our next choice of the best reciprocating saw due to its impressive speed and longevity. Besides, Sawzall is the first reciprocating saw to include constant power technology that maintains continuous speed and power. Further, this product's 15.0 amp motor provides the industry's uppermost overload protection that prevents motor failure. Also, its patented gear-protecting clutch extends the motor's life by preventing the high-impact forces caused by unexpected blade lockups. Additionally, the quick-lock blade clamp provides fast and tool-less blade changes. Apart from that, this patented counterbalance device reduces user vibration. Thus, it's no secret that this product will deliver the ultimate smooth running and comfort during the operation. We need to mention that the product's manufacturer is a US-based company, and this acts as a guarantee for unmatched sawing performance. In terms of sophisticated technology, this Sawzall is powered by a constant power technology that maintains consistent speed under load to deliver a remarkable cutting performance. Milwaukee is a renowned brand in the reciprocating saws market. We recommend it for professionals and DIYers for its reliability, resilience, and power. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20B20V Max Reciprocating Saw. Every professional enjoys working with a versatile, lightweight, and easy-to-use saw. Pick this reciprocating saw that features a powerful 3,000 strokes minute motor, while the adjustable speed trigger and electric brake offer supplementary control. Unlike other reciprocating saws, BLACK+DECKER BDCR20B will cost you less for its quality. As one of the best reciprocating saw under $100, you may not have to increase your budget much, and you'll not forgo premium quality either. Notably, BLACK+DECKER features a lithium battery as standard. We like to mention that these categories of batteries are more powerful and have a habit of holding a charge longer compared to other standard batteries. On the other hand, this product boasts 20 volts of power. As such, it has the potential to deliver unmatched cutting performance. Luckily, though, this fantastic reciprocating saw is lightweight and only weighs 3.8 pounds. For this reason, it is easy to carry it everywhere and navigate hard-to-reach areas as well. Similarly, with its tool-free blade cover, you can easily change blades, while the pivoting shoe and a variable speed trigger enhance controls to enable you to deliver exceptional cutting. What's more, the 7/8 inches blade has an impressive cutting precision and control with less kickback compared to the longer blades. Best of all, BLACK+DECKER goes out of the way to offer a dampening technology for reduced vibration. Indeed, this lets you work comfortably. We recommend the product due to its new dampening technology that enhances a smooth cutting experience with minimal vibration. Yet, its lightweight features make this saw easy for anyone to handle. Second on our list is the dewalt DW310K 12-amp heavy-duty reciprocating saw kit. Get this amazing 12.0-amp reciprocating saw kit with 2,700 strokes per minute and 1-1 divided by 8 stroke length for incomparable power on heavy-duty application. The product is exceptionally long-lasting and efficient. Moreover, the 12.0-amp motor is versatile, and it does not only deliver increased power for heavy-duty applications, but it is also fast and efficient during the cutting. Further, this product features a keyless stainless steel blade clamp for quick, straightforward blade changes and increased reliability. Additionally, the keyless adjustable shoe seamlessly adjusts the depth of cut and prolongs the blade's lifespan. Accordingly, its adjustable speed trigger allows you to control speed instantly. You will love its anti-slip grip to help you keep control of the device. Therefore, you'll be in total control of the saw and, at the same time, open to adjustments even in the middle of a job. Dewalt DW310K has a corded source which makes it easier to plug into a wall and attach an 8-foot cord, and this allows you to maneuver even the hard-to-reach areas. It's worth noting that Dewalt DW310K saw boasts an adjustable speed trigger with a variety of choices of up to 27 strokes per minute. We highly recommend this product because of its keyless blade cover, which allows you to make changes with ease while working. Yet the anti-slip grip lets you keep control of the tool completely. Finally, the top product on our list is the WORX WX550L20V Axis 2-in-1 reciprocating saw and jigsaw. This WORX WX550L ranks among our top best reciprocating saws due to its outstanding feature of 2-in-1. You can effortlessly turn it from a reciprocating saw into a jigsaw. Generally, reciprocating saws are for cutting out intricate shapes with lots of twists and turns. The manufacturers of this saw had this idea in mind. It is incredibly lightweight, compact, and cordless. Thus, this feature allows you to maneuver and get into tighter spaces to take down drywall, pipes, and many more. Apart from that, this tool flips into action with a twinkle of an eye. Just push the big red button to unlock the head and flip it up or down, and it will lock into place. Besides, it features 2 fully featured saws in one. As a result, it not only saves you the extra expense of purchasing a separate saw but also gives you the convenience of having fewer tools to carry to the work site. What's more, this tool comes with a dust blower to keep dust and debris away from the surface of your cut. Therefore, you'll get clear and better visibility of the cut and a more enjoyable working atmosphere. To put the icing on the cake, with this product, you'll have the pleasure to do it all with the same battery, thanks to its WORX Power Share feature. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.